Hi, welcome back to the channel. This is Nissan Note 2015 model. Basically, this boot door won't open. Then I thought this video might be helpful for the others because I tried to find something from online. I couldn't find it. Then after that, I managed to open. Then I thought it will helpful for you, because of that I am doing this video. Right. Basically, what we done. Normally, there is the hole, tiny hole, but we can't do anything from that hole. This hole, you can see what we did. We fold this seat, then after that we enter to boot, then after that we slightly try and remove this panel. You can do it from inside. Then after that, what happened, there is this hole. Remember this hole exactly here. I'm going to do this one. This is the thing line up from there. What we do, we fly out this unit, then you can do while it's in, but I'll take out for the give more view to you. Basically, this is the first latch. Can you see it? Right, now much better. You can see that this outside one, when you lift up outside one, it's lock, right? Then because of that, you need to bring back to the normal position. Then after that, when you see through this big hole, you can see inside tiny metal clip. Yeah, that's the one we need to attack, right? Basically through here, when you see through this hole, you can see another hook there. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to lock here, right? It's locked now. See that this lock, it's locked, right? It's locked now. Now I'm going through inside that hole and I'm just fly up. You have a look what happened to this lock, right? Okay, I'm going to operate that thing. Right, see, it's open now. Yeah, that's why you need to do. Then after that, you can open the your rear boot. Then after that, you can work around that one, but very tricky place to show you, but you can do. Thank you.